Here's how to create a new Apple ID account. Now, first, just head into the Settings app of your iPhone. We need to check a couple things associated with your account first before we create a new one if you already have one. So tap on your name at the very top. And from here, you'll be able to see at the very top Apple account. And midway down here is Sign In and Security. Just tap on that. Now, what we're specifically going to check for is the email address and phone number that is already associated with your account. Now, you need to use a different email address and phone number to create a new one. So just keep in mind you can't use these. If you wanted to, you can always hop into any of these different emails, and then you can hit remove from account if you did want to use that email address. But after you've done that, let's open up a web browser here and go to creating that account. You need to open up a web browser like Safari or Chrome, and we're going to go to account.apple.com. So again, we're on account.apple.com, and you'll see the option to sign in. But of course, we don't want to sign into your old account. We want to create a new one by tapping on that little drop-down arrow at the top right. After you've done that, you can see create your Apple account. Now from here, it's pretty straightforward. You can create a new account by entering in your name, birthday, password, all of this stuff. And then at the very bottom, hitting continue. Keep in mind, after you've done that, you should head back into the settings app of any phone that you have or computer. And you're going to go back to the beginning where it says Apple account. Scroll down to the bottom and just hit sign out. Essentially what this does is it signs out of your old Apple ID account. You can hit sign out, but don't erase here, and then just sign back in on your new account.